Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to see how visual edits work in Lovable.dev. So, Lovable, if you don't know, is AI website generator. It can create websites just by a prompt. So, let me create the prompt right now. So, create a habit tracking app, and yeah, I think that's it. That's it for now. We don't need to add too much context for this. Let's just see what it brings. Yeah, so this has visual edits. So visual edits is like how you do in webflow or framer, and framer is what I like as a designer. But yeah, so this now has edits, so it's easier to go in and edit whatever you want. So I just wanted to check that out. So yeah, it's creating the habit tracking app right now. Okay, this looks good. It's creating all the code for it, which is great. So let's just see how it works, what it takes. Yeah, so far so good. Yeah, so now I just want to see how the visual edits work, whether it's good, whether it's like framer, which is like a high bar, and this even has Lovable.dev even has like Figma integration. So I just I can design something in Figma, and probably it will create it as a real website for me, which framer also does, but it's restricted to just landing pages. So yeah, let's just see how this works. Habit name, running. That's great. Let's just add some habits. To the list. Let's see how an edit like this works in the prompt, and then we'll edit with the visual edit also. Yeah, so far so good. It looks good. It's the design's pretty bare bones, but I think for first prompt that's okay. Maybe we can, as a designers, we can better design it ourselves. Okay, this looks good. Let's just edit visually. So I'm just selecting all these divs, and maybe I'll make this as a grid. Make this a grid. Okay, let's see how that works. So I'm selecting something and making it as a grid. Okay, this looks pretty good. Probably I would it would have taken like a second for me in actual CSS, and this is taking a little while for to do them. Okay, so I'm gonna do visual edits now. Maybe this has full width. I just want to change that to not full width. Okay, that looks good. How do I change the text color then? Okay, this works. Color should be slate 50. That's good. Okay, so yeah, perfect. Okay, yeah, I made it edit. Okay, I'll just like this button. Make this a small button and not full. Attach this to the header itself. Okay, so so yeah, it's a free messaging limit for today, and I think this is the only message I've sent today. Okay, yeah, it has it has limits. That's fine. Let's just see if we can do this ourselves then. So I just wanted the headers to be in left and this. Okay, I don't think I can do that with this visual edit, but it's good for now. And maybe I can reduce the padding a bit. Yeah, this is what I can do, I guess. But yeah, it's good. I'm not sure it replaces framer or flow yet, but it's good. It's a good starting point, I guess. And yeah, can't wait to see how good it gets. For now, for which a website generator, I'll stick with V0. because it has very good integration with the Shatcn, which I use on all my projects, and Next.js, which I also use on all my projects. So I'll probably stick with that for now, but this is getting there. Other tools like Replit also is getting there. So yeah, Lovable is good. Maybe we can cool it with the restrictions for free version, but probably I'll buy the pro version soon. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.